Hook, have you ever wondered how to transfer your crypto holdings from a centralized exchange like Kraken to a personal wallet? It's a crucial step towards gaining full control over your digital assets. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand the ins and outs of withdrawing from Kraken. Context: before we dive into the tutorial, let's clarify why it's important to move your crypto from a centralized exchange to a personal wallet. Think of a centralized exchange as a bank. While they provide convenience and security, they ultimately hold your assets. By transferring your crypto to a personal wallet, you're essentially taking ownership and gaining full control over your funds. Step 1. Create a wallet. Choose the right wallet. Discuss the different types of wallets available: hardware, software, mobile, and their pros and cons. Security best practices emphasize the importance of strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and keeping your wallet secure. Recommended wallets suggest popular and reputable wallet options for beginners and advanced users. Step 2. Verify your Kraken account. KYC requirements explain the need for Know Your Customer (KYC) verification and the typical documents required. Verification process: guide viewers through the verification process on Kraken, including identity verification and address proof. Step 3. Fund your Kraken account. Deposit methods: discuss the various methods to deposit funds into your Kraken account, such as bank transfers, credit/debit cards, and cryptocurrency deposits. Fees and processing times: provide information on fees associated with deposits and the estimated processing time. Step 4. Withdraw to your wallet. Accessing the withdrawal page: show viewers how to find the withdrawal option on Kraken. Entering wallet address: demonstrate how to accurately input the address of your personal wallet. Choosing a cryptocurrency: explain how to select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Setting withdrawal amount: guide viewers through setting the desired withdrawal amount. Confirming the withdrawal: show how to review and confirm the withdrawal details before submitting. Additional considerations: network fees: discuss the concept of network fees and how they can impact withdrawal times and costs. Withdrawal limits: mention any withdrawal limits imposed by Kraken and how to increase them if necessary. Security tips: reinforce the importance of double-checking the wallet address and avoiding phishing scams. Troubleshooting: provide guidance on common issues that may arise during the withdrawal process and how to resolve them. Conclusion. Recap: summarize the key steps involved in withdrawing from Kraken to a personal wallet. Benefits of self-custody: emphasize the advantages of owning and controlling your crypto assets. Call to action: encourage viewers to take the next step and secure their crypto holdings by transferring them to a personal wallet. Closing: with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, taking control of your crypto is essential for financial freedom and security.